Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia Beth Photography, and today I'm going to be reviewing K&F Concepts 10-inch ring light. So this is a light that I've actually got on right now. I use it for quite a lot of my YouTube videos and I absolutely love it. I'm filming this video in the evening at the minute for you guys, just so you can really see the power of the light. It is great in the daytime if you're filming videos in the day and you're kind of inside a building and you've got maybe some light coming in from a window but the rest of the room's a bit dark. It's just really good to just kind of stick in front of your face, give it that nice even light. But I am actually filming in the evening just to show you how bright and brilliant it is. So it has 3 different temperature settings, and a lot of cameras actually auto white balance, but I haven't got the white balance on auto for the camera, just for the purposes of showing you the differences in color of this light. So this is the standard white light that comes with it. So as soon as you turn it on, it's a nice white light. Then this is a more cool light setting. And then this is the warm light setting. So hopefully you've seen the kind of 3 settings there. It gets brighter and dimmer, which I'll show you in a minute. But let's get straight to the unboxing so that you can see what it looked like when I first got it. It comes with the head, which is a light, and it has a connector to be able to clip a phone or something to it. It has a nice kind of bendable pole so that you can literally have it pointing in any direction you like. And then it comes with a nice sturdy tripod. And I'll show you the features in a second, but let's go straight to the unboxing. I also just wanted to show you the difference between it being on like this. So this is the warm light on and then off. So this is what it would be if I didn't have any light on right now. It is dusk outside, so it's kind of nearly dark outside and the light isn't great in here at all. Being able to film in the evenings is an absolute lifesaver because they can go to bed or they can go and be chilling in their rooms and be quiet while I get on with this, and I'm not trying to kind of keep them quiet in the daytime and trying to film. So it comes like this. This is at its lowest point and it has so many different options to make it higher. I would personally bring it kind of right down to this sort of level here where you've got the legs nearly touching the floor, because then you know that it's going to be really sturdy. And then you have several different clips. So what you need to do is you twist this on until it's nice and tight, and then right here this whole thing comes off, which you saw in the setup. But this can all twist on and off as well. So you just keep twisting that until it's nice and tight. So I'm going to have it all nice and tight there for you guys. And then you've got a little connector there just to strengthen it a little bit more. Just screw it in, make sure that it's nice and tight, not going to go anywhere. This little bar here that I showed you how to put on earlier, you can bend it literally any which way you like. So it's really nice and flexible, but really feels really sturdy as well. So it doesn't feel like I'm going to snap it at any point, but it also feels really flexible. So if I was wanting to film something down there, I could completely just put the light right down if I wanted to, and that wouldn't be a problem. So next is our little kind of connector here. It's connected on a ball, so this can be moved any direction. You can do portrait or landscape. I actually use this now for when I'm doing my Instagram stories, because I can just put my phone on portrait and do it hands-free with nice bright light in my face. I know that it's not going to be kind of any patchy light or anything. And then next is this, literally you can get it so high. So these little kind of connectors here, I don't know if you can see, I'll just turn it around a little bit, just shows that you know that it's going to be on. So instead of it being a screw stop, they are just open and close connectors to make sure that they're tight, and then you can just bring it up literally as high as you want it to go and snap them all shut. There's a few other connectors that come in the box, as you saw in the unboxing, and these are just little extras. So if you wanted to have your phone on there, with some words of what you wanted to say for your videos or anything, you can connect this extra bit on, and then you can clip the extra connector for your phone on any which way you like. There is a screw in each end, and there's also a screw in the back, so you kind of just connect it on however you like. And the last thing that comes in the box is a microphone holder. So for me, this isn't too much of a big deal because I tend to use my lapel mic, which I'm using at the minute. But if you wanted to use any other sort of microphone that might usually need a stand, you wouldn't need to have a separate stand. You could just kind of sturdy it onto this, screw it on nice and tight, and then you know that you can pop your mic on there without needing an extra stand kind of exterior to this particular tripod. So you've got everything all in one. You've got your microphone, you've got whatever recording device you're wanting to use here, and you've got your light all built in one. It is very easily dimmable, so I'll show you this just here on an example on a plant. It just dims slowly, so if you're a bit closer to the light or if you're filming something different where you don't want it quite as bright, it's really easy to do that. So hopefully you found that useful. It's £41.99 on Amazon at the minute. So go ahead, if you want to order one, click the link in the description. It is absolutely brilliant for the price. Normally at that price point, I'd be expecting something far less sturdy, but it's really sturdy. Everything screws in nice and tight, clips in nice and tight. Doesn't feel like it's going to break at any time. I've been using it for a little while now and it is just brilliant. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Pop in the comments if you've got any other questions about this light. I will answer them as best as possible. And yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you've bought any of K&F Concepts other products. I really do love their products. I've got this light stand. I've got some actual light stands for when I do my weddings, which you can check out that video here, which I've done a review of as well. And I've also got one of their tripods, which is absolutely brilliant. I use it all the time, and just keep an eye out for a video on that in the really near future. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. I'm always cheering you on, and I'll see you soon.